I am Dr. Zyra McLeod, an ambassador for Africa, and we are in the city of Inglewood. I called a carpet cleaner, and they quoted me a price of $129. In fact, they had an ad, and it said $69 for 3 rooms. And I got it off of the internet when I Googled it up. It seemed legitimate. And I spoke to a very nice lady. She sounded very nice. She quoted me the price of $129 for my entire house, which was actually 6 rooms and a hall. However, when the gentleman, when the man, the carpet cleaning man came over, he was not very nice, first of all. When I thought that we had already negotiated the price and I asked if there was any more questions or anything, they said everything was just great. When he came in, I showed him the place and he changed the price from $129 to $359. I was in shock. We got in an argument. I told him to call his company, and I shared with the company that they had quoted me $129, and the reason he gave, but if it's heavy trafficking, then the price goes up. I said, well, it's heavy trafficking. I'm a senior citizen, just me and my husband, and sometimes my daughter. And I said, where's the traffic? And my carpet is new, basically looking, because I keep it up. My living room, no use. My dining room, no use. In several other rooms, no use. But he said he wasn't going to do it. And I told him to leave because he was trying to rip off senior citizens and people at a disadvantage because we had moved all of the furniture for him. We had cleaned up everything for him. My house had been moved. But then I called Karma Carpet Cleaning. I found them also on the internet. I Googled them up. And thank God the first person that I called, which was Karma, seemed to be a very professional company. And I said to him, then can you clean my carpet? I said, the guy came over, left me in distress. He quoted one price, but when he gave me another price. And he came and he saved the day. He came and he did such an excellent job to see this young man with the top of the line equipment. Now guess what? I have some good news. Ken gave me a price over the phone and he stuck with it. I would totally 100% recommend Karma. He's a nice young man. He's an entrepreneur and he has a professional company with a beautiful big truck out here. He parks, he comes in, he gets the job done, and he leaves. And when he leaves, I want you to take a look at my carpet floor. Take a look. Isn't that beautiful? And you know how old that carpet is? That carpet is 35 years old. And look how beautiful it is. You can't even say where the sun has come in and bleached it when Ken got through with it. I am so pleased. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It is absolute. Look at that. It is wonderful. Call Ken. Karma Carpet Cleaning. Hallelujah. I'm happy. Happy as I can be. Thank you for listening.